Hello and welcome back to the course. Today we are going to discuss about what is Python, who discovered Python and when, discuss about Python 2 and Python 3 and which is better to start and difference between Python 2 and Python 3. So basically Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So let's begin with a brief timeline of Python 2 versus Python 3 uses. Python 2.0 was first released in 2000. Its latest version is 2.7 and was released in 2010. And Python 3.0 was released in 2008. Its newest version is 3.8, was released in 2019. Although Python 2.7 is still widely used, but Python 3 adoption is growing very quickly. In 2016, 71.9% of projects used Python 2.7, but by 2017, it had fallen to 63.7. This signals that the programming community is turning to the Python 3 when developing a real-world applications. On January 1, 2018, Python 2.7 will retire and no longer be maintained, so everyone want to shift to Python 3. Next, we will move on to the difference for Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2 is legacy, but Python 3 is the future. The two versions of Python have different print statements. For example, Python 2 has the print statement like that, like print quote hello. And the same is to do in Python 3. We have to write this line of code. Print parenthesis quote and hello. Don't worry, it's just for understanding purpose. To explain, it is not hard to shift Python 2 to Python 3. And now I know one question is arised in your mind. Which is better to learn, Python 2 or Python 3? But don't worry, I clear your doubt, and the simple answer is learn the latest version, that is Python 3. And throughout this course I will cover Python 3. That's it for today. We will meet in the next lecture. So just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.